Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
First, download Pattern Keeper from the official release page and install it into a dedicated folder. Keep your controller or input device connected before you open the program for reliable input detection. Prepare the song file by placing it in an easy folder and use a clear audio source for playback. Close other audio apps to avoid interference with timing. Run Pattern Keeper as administrator if prompted by your operating system. Open the song in Pattern Keeper and set an initial BPM either by tapping or automatic detection. Use the calibration tool to adjust audio latency until on-screen beats align with the actual song sound. Listen for the downbeat and move the first measure marker to match that hit precisely. Continue shifting measure markers every 4 beats or as needed to keep alignment across the entire track. Save the project frequently to preserve your mapping progress. Once mapping is complete, refine note windows and lane assignments to make patterns playable and musical. Use preview mode to play through the map and identify any timing sections that drift or need adjustment. When you find tempo or rhythm changes, add a new timing section and realign measure markers for accuracy. After final adjustments, export the finished chart using the preferred file format for your game. Test the exported map in-game and tweak.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.